So in structure of atom, last topic of Bohr principle. अब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे लिखते हैं, that basically we will understand how and how the electrons are arranged in their different orbits. So in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energy. Yesterday we had talked that lower the quantum number, lower is the energy, and it is increasing in this order. So you can see 1s, 2s, 2p. ये याद रखना हमें, 1s, then 2s, 2p, then 3s, 3p, फिर 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, 4d, then 5p, 4f, 5d, 6p and 7s in order of the increasing energy. Yesterday we had also discussed the degenerate orbitals, जिनकी energy same होती है उनको degenerate orbitals कहते हैं. All these things we will use ahead. Now let me show you from the textbook, that is order of filling of orbitals. Though I had told you पहले 1s में लिखेंगे, ठीक है. Then comes 2s, then 2p, 2s के बाद 2p, then 3s, then 3p. After 3p we will go to 4s. We will not go, electrons will go to 4s and then 4s to 3d. After 3d, 4p, 4p, then 5s. After 5s, 4d. Are you getting my point? Then 5p, then 6s, and then 4f. 5d, 6p, 7s. 7s के बाद direct 5f. After 5f, 6d, and then 7p and so on. इससे ज़्यादा elements तो हमारे पास है ही नहीं. So let me tell you how to write the electronic configuration. Before that, I want to tell you about Pauli's exclusion principle. No two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. What are the quantum numbers? First one was principal quantum number, then second one was azimuthal quantum number, third one was magnetic quantum number, and fourth one was spin. Okay? So only 2 electrons can exist in the same orbital. I also told you एक ऑर्बिटल में सिर्फ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ठीक है. कैन एनीबडी टेल मी p में कितने ऑर्बिटल हैं? p में देयर आर 3 ऑर्बिटल्स, px, py एंड pz. एंड px में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, py में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड pz में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो टोटल 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, so only 2 electrons can exist in the same orbital and that electrons must have opposite spins. Like if I write here helium, so helium Z is equal to 2. So how I will write arrange the electrons? 1s, okay. S में 2 electrons, P में 6 electrons, D में 10 electrons, and in F there are 14 electrons. This you have to remember, children. S, P, D, F. Fine. So this is S, 1s. So 2 electrons are arranged like this with opposite spin. This is Pauli's exclusion principle. After Pauli's exclusion principle, it will come, that is Hund's rule, या Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Let me write here, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. What is this? Pairing of electrons of the orbitals belonging to the same subshell does not take place until each orbital belonging to that subshell has got 1 electron. So how to explain this? Let me explain you this. This is the statement, but how to explain this? Like if I write here the configuration of lithium, right? So lithium Z is equal to 3. So how I will write? First let me write the configuration. 1s2, 1s2 complete हो गया. Then 2s. So how many are left? 2s1. So it will be written like this, 1s2, so 2 electrons, 2s1, easy. Then beryllium, Z is equal to 4. So 1s2, 2s2, you know S can have only 2, S में एक ही orbital होता है and only 2 electrons could be there. So this is 1s2 and this is 2s2. Then after beryllium, if I write boron, so boron is Z is equal to 5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now we will enter to p. So 2p1, only one is left, 5 ही है. So 1s2, 2s2, p में कितने ऑर्बिटल्स बताया? px, py, pz. px, py, pz. But we have only one electron, so it will be like this. Correct? Now, if I write the electronic configuration of fluorine, F, Z is equal to 9. So, how I will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2 to 4 and 2p 5, 9. P में 6 तक जा सकते हैं. So, now let me write here 1s2, 2s2, 2p 5. 3 orbitals px, py, pz. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Look, there are two methods. If I write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. No, I can't do that. First, I will give one electron in each orbital. Then, if left over, they will be arranged with opposite spin. So, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. The story is over. Understood? So, this is the way. Like if I write here, before fluorine, if I write here oxygen. Oxygen का Z क्या होता है? 8. We have to remember all these things. Till 40, right now till 40, you should be able to write all the configuration. Z is equal to 8. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 to 4, 2p4. 4 ही बचा ना 8 लिखने के लिए. पहले ये 2 से फिल हो गया, ये 2 से फिल हो गया, बचा जो इसमें p में डाल दिया. So 1s2, this is 1s2, this is 2s2. ऑपोजिट स्पिन हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. P में px, py, pz, px, py, pz. So 1, पहले डायरेक्ट इधर 1, 2, 3, 4 नहीं कर देना है, राइट? So 1, 2, 3. You can understand if in your house you are 2 brothers and sisters, या 3 or 4. So 1 chocolate will be given to each. If left over, then it will be repeated. So same way 1 electron in each orbital, and then if left it will be repeated. So 2p4. So 1, 2, 3 तो हो चुका था, 4th one is done. You understood? In this way the pairing of electron is done. This is Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Clear? And opposite spins से जो arrange होते हैं, that is known as Pauli's exclusion principle. And what is Aufbau principle? The energy level जैसा है इस order में अगर fill होता है तो this is known as Aufbau's principle. Okay. The next thing is, let me tell you how to write the electronic configuration. So now first 10 we have written. Neon I have not written, so let me show you neon. Z is equal to 10. So simply configuration I will write now. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2 and 2 4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2 2 4 and 6 10. It is over. Okay. And according to maximum multiplicity, how I will write? And Pauli's exclusion principle, let me follow. 1s, 2s, so no problem. 6, yani all 3 I will have 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 2 methods to write the electronic configuration. If you see in the textbook also it is given that electronic configurations are written by quoting the nearest inert gas configuration also. So if I want to write lithium, so lithium Z is equal to 3. So I can write here in this way 1s2, 2s1, this is lithium. And I can also write in this bracket helium. Helium का electronic configuration क्या है बेटा? helium का atomic number क्या है? 2. So 1s2 के बदले अगर helium लिख दे तो helium 2s1. This is also one of the way to write the configuration. Right? Like if I write sodium, Z is equal to 11. So this is Z, huh? Z is equal to 11. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 10 हो गए एंड देन क्या 3s में चले जाएंगे 3s1 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1 okay now this is one of the way to write the configuration second way we have to arrange the electrons like this 1s2 2s2 2p6 px py pz 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and then 3s में आ जाओ 3s में दो होते हैं पर अपने पास एक ही है सो एक ही लिखेंगे दिस इज 1s 2s 2px 2py 2pz and this is 3s one only is there so we will write here 1 another way to write first method second method third method इतने के बदले कैन आई राइट चिल्ड्रन नियॉन हिट 10 को नियॉन कर दें सो इनर्ट गैस क्या होता है लेट मी टेल यू मैंने बताया ही नहीं तुम्हें हीलियम नियॉन आर्गन क्रिप्टॉन के है हाँ क्रिप्टॉन जेनॉन ये सब जो है इनर्ट गैसेस हैं तो इनर्ट गैसेस की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से हम इसको टैली करेंगे तो 10 के बदले कैन आई राइट नियॉन तो दिस इज नियॉन 10 हो गया पूरे के बदले एक नियॉन लिख दिया नियॉन 3s1 in this way also electronic configuration is written the next part of the chapter is stability what is stability all the electrons want to get stable so all the configurations will be written like this only सिर्फ एक आध अपने पास एक्सेप्शन है दैट इज इफ आई राइट हियर क्रोमियम Cr means chromium Z is equal to 24 let me show you 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 कितने हो गए 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 6 10 यहाँ तक नियम तक याद है 10 and 2 12 12 and 6 18 18 अपने पास कितने बच गए Z is equal to 24 है यानी 6 बचे हैं तो आफ्टर 3s2 3p6 क्या बताया था एनर्जी लेवल में 4s विल बी देयर सो 4s2 तो हाउ मेनी आर देयर 18 plus 2 20 तो बचा क्या D तो D की फैमिली को इधर लिखते हैं 3d4 करेक्ट है ओके 24 बट व्हाट हैपेंस one theory is there that is half filled and completely filled orbitals are more stable ठीक है so now what will happen half filled means what 3d d में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होने चाहिए हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल्स आर देयर 5 होने कितने चाहिए हैं कितने 4 ओनली तो अगर मैं इसको 5 बना दूं तो हाफ फिल हो जाएगा बट आई कांट डू दैट बिकॉज टोटल नंबर इज 24 ओनली सो व्हाट इज डन हियर व्हाट वाज फाउंड दैट इन 4s ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज देयर एंड 3d बिकम्स 3d5 दिस इज एक्सेप्शन इसको स्टार मार्क कर दो अंडरस्टूड So chromium is exception. Why it happens? Because half filled 3d any d में 5 orbitals हैं d 1 2 3 4 5 so 3 1 2 3 4 पहले 4 थे if 1 electron goes to d orbital it becomes 5 3d5 okay and now it becomes more stable it gives stability to the atom of chromium understood so this is the way so that's why this becomes 3d5 4s1 second example or second exception also you have to learn it this always comes in exam okay so copper atomic number 29 let me show the configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3p6 के बाद 4s में जाते हैं सो 4s पर s में तो ओनली 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कुड बी देयर 2 तो बचा क्या 3d देन वी विल कम बैक टू 3d सो 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 6 18 18 and 2 20 तो 3d 9 is left but again same formula half filled or completely filled So D में if 9 are there, D में if 9 are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. Should I write here 3D? You will understand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 are there. 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way electrons only are filled. कोई भी बच्चा direct ना लिखे, दो नहीं डाल दे. So 9 are there. But what we see, only one electron is deficient here to make it stable. Half filled, yeah, completely filled. So in completely filled, only one is lacking. So we will again make it 1 and we will make it 10. So now it has become completely filled, but one electron इससे यहाँ आ गया. So it makes the atom of the copper more stable. This theory we will always remember. Now, what is your homework? I am writing here. Write the electronic configuration. Write the electronic. Yeah, homework I am writing here. Okay. Homework. Electronic configuration of Z is equal to 1 to Z is equal to 25 by general method and inert gas configuration method. Inert gas configuration method. मेरी बात समझ में आई? कौन सी में जनरल मेथड में ये वाला करेंगे 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1 ये दिस इज जनरल मेथड. और इनर्ट गैस में जो भी उसका नियरेस्ट इनर्ट गैस होगा उसके बाद लिखेंगे. लाइक इफ आई हैव टू राइट व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर राइट नाउ क्रोमियम. तो क्रोमियम में 18 तक जहां तक जाता है ना बेटा, यहाँ 18 तक के बदले वी कैन राइट आर्गन. शुड आई राइट हियर? यहाँ लिखो आर्गन. दिस इज इनर्ट गैस. आर्गन की एटॉमिक नंबर 18 होती है, ये हमें याद रखना है. सो 2 2 4 and 6 10 10 and 2 12 12 and 6 18. यहाँ तक का तो आर्गन हो गया. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट हियर? यहाँ आर्गन 3d 5 4s1. ये हो गई हमारी इनर्ट गैस मेथड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मेथड. फॉर 18 आई हैव रिटन आर्गन 3d5 4s1. क्यों 3d5 है? कॉपर एंड क्रोमियम आर एक्सेप्शंस, वो याद रखना है. Similarly here what I like if copper I am writing, तो for copper 18 यहाँ से यहाँ तक 18 right. तो argon 3d10 4s1. This is inert gas configuration method. So in this method you have to write configuration till 25. Numericals PDF again I am sending. If any of the numerical you are not understanding, then message me so that I can answer your questions. Thank you. Most probably tomorrow we will start the new lesson.